Hello friends, welcome to my channel RK Raising Kids Vlog. Today I'm gonna explain you the chapter called Dispersal of Seeds. So here we go. Do you remember what I explained you in the previous lesson, plant reproduction? Yes, you're right. We learned about the other names of the parts of the flower, what is a seed, and what is fertilization. So do you remember what is a seed? I'm not gonna tell you. Okay. I will tell you. A seed means a unit of reproduction of plant. So, a mother plant produces hundreds of seeds, and if all the seeds were to fall near the plant on the ground and germinate, they wouldn't have enough nutrients and water for the seedlings. Therefore, the seeds have developed into the methods of dispersal or the scattering of seeds. So, what do you mean by this dispersal? Dispersal means scattering of something, but in this lesson it is known as scattering of the seeds. So, there are 4 methods of dispersal. They are dispersal by wind, dispersal by water, dispersal by animals, and dispersal by explosion method. So let's start with the dispersal by wind. So you must have seen seeds floating in the air, right? Such examples are dandelion, everyone's favorite, and silk cotton means semule, okay? And this is the cotton seed. Other examples, apple seed, drumstick. Let's start with the dandelion. So why do these seeds float in the air? Why they are dispersed by wind only? Why not water? Because the dandelion has a tuft of hair by their sides so that they could fly like a parachute. So that is another, these all seeds are light-weighted too. Even in the pollination, I told you, right? The pollination by wind, because they're light-weighted, that is why they only float, right? Like that only. Here, same process. Silk cotton means semule, it's also called as semule, and cotton seed, they both have their seeds covered with a ball of fine hair-like structures. This allows them to float in the air. Oh, we forgot about the maple seed and drumstick. What about they? Yeah, maple seed and drumstick also floats in the air because they have wing-like structures and other they're light. And when do you think the drumstick floats in the air? Yeah, when they got dry. When they become dry, they would get loose from their branches and the wind would carry them away. And it would tear open and they would have wing-like structure. And once you glance at this picture maple seed, see, it's like wings. They have wings. So that is why they could float in the air. So this is the dispersal by wind. So now let's go to the next method, that is dispersal by water. Here the dispersal by water. So here we go. Plants which grow in water or in streams, they are dispersed by water. Such examples are lotus fruit. Lotus fruit is spongy and light, so it is dispersed by water. And coconut, see, coconut floating in water. So imagine that you're at the beach, okay, and you see a coconut or a coconut seed falling from the tree. It's still young and it falls into the seawater. And does it sink or float? Yes, it floats. Are you wondering why the coconut is floating instead of sinking? Let me tell you. Look at this husk of the coconut. it has air spaces. So that is why the coconut can float in water. If the coconut has water, then it would sink. Another, it is young also. When it's young, it doesn't has water, but when it gets big, then only it will have water. I think you have seen some people breaking coconuts and the water would come out from that, like that. But when it's young, it doesn't has the water. So it floats like that. And then they are dispersed into the other island or somewhere else. So this is the dispersal by water. So next, let's go into the dispersal by animals. Here is it, dispersal by animals and dispersal by dispersal method. So here we go. Let's start with the dispersal by animals. A large number of animals, particularly birds, monkeys, dogs and cats, and even us human beings, eat the fleshy part of fruits such as mango, lychee, papaya, etc. and throw away the seeds. Sometimes the small, hard seeds in the fruits such as guava, they would be swallowed by the animals or us, and they pass out through the undigested food and get dispersed to that place. Another method by the animals is that the seeds of herbs and shrubs such as hooks like this, they would stick to the bodies of the animals and the animals would carry them on their body. Sometimes the animal also feel, and when it gets to a place, it would shake their body and the seed get dispersed on that place. And they would grow into new plants. And did you know retro fastener is commonly used by us even today, and they are by the xanthium, means cochlear. I'll show you that picture. So here is it. So can you see it? Yeah, that is the retro fastener. And by that stripping is only out of xanthium or cochlear. Now let me tell you some examples of seeds which are stick to the bodies of the animals, such as they are grass seed and this cochlear. And as the cochlear can stick to the bodies of animals such as dogs, sheep, because they have fur and it can easily stick to the hooks. So that is why it is even used in the reclo fastener. So next we would start with the dispersal by explosion method. So some fruits gets dry and burst open like an explosion method. And in the fruit there are some seeds, and those seeds, when the fruit burst open, the seeds get dispersed on that place. Such examples are peas and milkweed. So here, can you see these? So these only will burst open, and inside that the seeds would get dispersed on that place. So this is the dispersal of seeds. So if you like this video and enjoy learning about this dispersal of seeds, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Archives and Kids Vlog. And if you didn't see the video plant reproduction, then go to my channel and watch that video. And don't forget to hit the like button of that too. And if you have any questions, then please write them in the comment section, and soon you will get your answers. Bye bye. See you in the next video.